Hi, my name's Chad Gelso, chef at Bank & Vine here in Wilkes-Barre, and today we're going to be making an amazing spring gem lettuce salad with a green goddess dressing. So let's start it up. At the base of this salad, we have the most amazing green goddess dressing. What we'll do is sort of build the dressing in the bowl, and we'll start with really nice arbequina oil. And you always remember that it's only going to be as good as your ingredients, so fresh lemon juice, and then we'll go in for our gem lettuce. I think the best way to do this for me is to take off the root and then literally just flake it apart. Then we'll go over and get our nice spring lettuces. We have this amazing red watercress that is completely edible, all those stems. Make sure you're washing your greens, obviously, but everything's good. And then moving into this miner's lettuce. These are great little acidic bites that go well in your salad. And then we'll move into our nice wood sorrel. And just to give it a little boost, it needs some salt, needs a little pepper, not much. This is not something that we're gonna season very aggressively. It's more about the greens. I have a little sliced chives, sliced dill, we're gonna add that as well. We have these really nice edamame beans we just blanched in salted boiling water for 10 seconds just to bring out the green. And so we're gonna have a little bit more texture. Some of that amazing asparagus, again, salted boiling water, maybe 30 seconds maximum. We can take some of this beautiful white asparagus and do nice long peels of the asparagus. Just shave it raw. Now we're ready to mix. The best way to do this is get in with your hands and maybe a spoon, and we're ready to plate. And we're gonna start with more of that really nice dressing in the bottom, okay? And I'm just spinning the bowl, not my hand, to just run it up the side of the plate. We'll put a little bit of olive oil, and then we'll come in and we'll plate up. You know, do you have to do this? Absolutely not. You can put it in a bowl and eat it as it is, but for me, I want to see all of those nice things on top before I eat it. And we finish with some of that nice blanched edamame beans will run in there. And then like most dishes, we're gonna finish with that amazing arbequina extra virgin olive oil. And there you have it, spring green salad with gem lettuce, miner's lettuce, watercress, some wood sorrel, and an amazing green goddess dressing.